Hi there, welcome to my online course and guide on how to start and monetize a successful blog. My name is Artemagis and I'll be your instructor in this exciting course. So first, let's take a look what we'll learn in this course. The ultimate goal of the course is to help you learn how to start and monetize a successful blog. In order to achieve that, we will go through different sections. The first section is to talk about the technical stuff that you will need in order to set up the whole infrastructure for your blog, in order to ultimately set up an operational website into which you will be writing your exciting blog posts. In the next section, we're going to talk about the creative process, where you decide your niche, the topic area you are going to be writing about, as well as how to create a writing schedule and so on. Then we are going to talk about search engine optimization, that is SEO. This is very important because it's not only setting up your blog and start writing, it is also important to make it visible to the world. And search engine optimization helps you with that. By following certain guidelines, for which we are going to talk about later, you help search engines to find your content easier and rank it in their search results. Also, marketing your blog is very important because by following specific marketing techniques, you can make your blog and blog posts and ultimately your content more visible and get more visitors. So in this section, we're going to talk about different techniques you can use for marketing your blog. Finally, we're going to talk about making money for your blog, that is monetization, and we will talk about the different options you have for achieving this. A few words about me. My name is Artemagis. I'm a senior SQL Server and software architect. I have over 15 years of experience with SQL Server.net. I have been a Microsoft Data Platform MVP for 9 years. I'm a professional author, blogger, and speaker. I have been blogging for more than 15 years. I have built different communities over the years. I have thousands of visitors in my blogs. I'm a certified SQL Server engineer and founder of SQL NetHub. Now, about the course requirements, this course has no requirements. Of course, basic technical knowledge can be helpful. Now, about the structure of the course consists of lectures, examples, quizzes, and a practice test in the end of the course. Now, who is this course for? This course is for people who are passionate on a topic and want to start a blog. So this course will help you understand the whole process of creating a successful blog and then making money out of it. Also, this course is for people who already have a blog and want to learn more about how they can market their blog and making money from their content. After the course, you will know all the steps involved in the process of properly starting a successful blog. You will also know what are your options for making money from your blog. And ultimately, you will know how you can start and monetize a successful blog. Thank you for previewing my course. I'm really looking forward to see you inside the course.